Here is a General Electric microwave here. Open it up. It's pretty clean in here. Although I did notice there is no round that supports this plate. So it's gonna be wobbling all over the place, but it's pretty okay. I've seen stuff like this happening before. Light bulb does work in it. This one's 1150 watts. Let's see, this is model JES1657DM2WW, manufactured February 2024. So this was put in pretty recently. Anyways, here's your controls for it. Just basic controls for a microwave, nothing special really. We'll do the control lock first. Then it's locked, it will show the LC, and then it shows those 4 dashes right there. You hold that for 3 more seconds though. And this is unlocked, you can use it now. So anyway, let's go ahead and test it. Anyways, that's pretty much about it for a video of this General Electric microwave.